Hi everyone, is your iPhone restarting again and again by itself? Don't worry, I will show you easy ways to fix it. Step 1. Restart your iPhone properly. First, turn your iPhone off completely and turn it back on after a few seconds. This can fix small system issues. Step 2. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If storage is almost full, delete unwanted apps or videos. Step 3. Update iOS. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available update because software bugs can cause random restart. Step 4. Remove problem apps. If the issue starting after installing a new app, uninstall that app. Step 5. Check battery health. Go to Settings, Battery Health. If battery health is very low, your iPhone may restart randomly. Step 6. Reset all settings. If still not fixed, go to Settings, General, Transfer or a Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data. Final tip, if your iPhone still keeps restarting, it could be a battery or hardware problems. And that's it. These steps should fix random restarting on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.